Hi, my name is Gabriella. I'll be giving an overview of the IEP process. It first starts with the referral process. The teacher must provide evidence of intervention. This means evidence of them actually using that intervention and then sharing how the intervention worked. They must also include samples of student work. The teacher must provide evidence of discussions with guardians about evidence and concerns. The evaluation process happens after the referral process and guardian consent. A team evaluates student eligibility for special education. It must be completed within 60 days of consent given. Then an IEP is created and a 504 plan or intervention services may be recommended as well. Eligibility determination is decided by a team. If the student is not at a similar level academically as their peers, they can be considered, or if a disability hinders them academically, the team observes and writes a report. The IEP components include general information about the student, their grade, their birth date, for example, and the date of the last evaluation, the IEP meeting date, the type of disability, progress reporting, measurable annual goals, services and modifications, and transition services if needed, meaning transitions off the IEP if needed. Parent and student involvement. Parents are equal members of the IEP team. Parents' input and feedback is highly valued. The law requires that they participate in each step of the special education process. Students are involved as necessary. At 15, students are required to be included. So the communication for the IEP process is ongoing. The teacher will be communicating with this parent back and forth, asking questions, asking for strategies to best help the student, sharing how the interventions are working for the student. They will be having those IEP meetings periodically, and at the IEP meetings, they'll be sharing these intervention efforts and samples of student work. And they will also be asking if they think any changes need to be made to the IEP, and they will all work collaboratively. The ethical responsibility for a teacher in the IEP process is that they need to be honest in everything they do, honest in the evidence they supply, honest in the sample of student works, honest in their